Hi, my name is Ronald for Yahoo and I'm standing just outside the revamped Peranakan Museum where there are 9 new galleries, super cool stuff, the 3 different themes, origins, home and style. I'm super excited to check out the new, of course, commissioned artwork by Sam Low and lots of new objects to check out. Let's find out.
In each of the galleries, we've actually secretly put something that's contemporary for the visitor to find. In the old days, you know, the museum is kind of like this monolithic space. You just did your own thing and you can talk to anyone. But I felt it's quite important that we continually engage, and that just takes a longer time.